Before we dive in, I want to let you know about an amazing offer from iptv. They're giving away a 1-month free trial of their premium IPTV service. All you need to do is visit astiertv.com, select the 1-month plan, and fill in your email and details. You'll get a verification email, and in just 15 minutes, the server info will be in your inbox, ready to go. Don't miss out. Check it out now and enjoy a full month for free.
Welcome to Screen Masters Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the best Kodi add-ons you need to know about. This type of content is being pushed down by YouTube, which is why it's important to support channels like ours by subscribing and liking the video. If you want to keep getting reliable info on streaming, guides, and tech tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Before we dive into the best Kodi add-ons, let's start with a quick tutorial on how to install add-ons on Kodi. This method will work for any add-on you want to add to your setup. Follow these steps. That's it. Now you're ready to explore and enjoy your new add-ons. Let's get back to our list of the best Kodi add-ons to enhance your streaming experience. The Crew is a multi-purpose Kodi add-on that allows users to discover TV shows, movies, sports content, kids content, and more. Over the course of our research, The Crew popped up a lot on forums and in roundup articles as a favorite unofficial Kodi add-on. Pluto TV is a free and legal platform that lets you watch movies and TV shows without needing to register. When we explored its library, we found some impressive titles, including movies like The Wolf of Wall Street, but keep in mind that content availability varies depending on your location. Pluto TV is also available as an official Kodi video add-on, making installation a breeze for Kodi users. If you're a fan of classic British TV, BBC iPlayer is a UK streaming platform that's perfect for getting your fix. The add-on offers channels like BBC 1, 2, and 3, along with CBBC and CBeebies for the kids at home. It's important to note that BBC iPlayer is only available in the UK, so if you're trying to access it on Kodi while abroad, you'll need to connect to a UK VPN server to bypass any restrictions. For fans of classic films, Crackle is a free US streaming service that's worth checking out. Its library includes gems like All Quiet on the Western Front, 1979, and Machine Gun Kelly, 1958. While Crackle is officially only available in the US, we were able to stream it on Kodi in France without using a VPN. However, if you're trying to access it via a web browser outside the US, you'll likely need a VPN to bypass the geo restrictions. Netflix is one of the most popular platforms for streaming movies and series. If you have a Netflix account and want to access it on Kodi, you can download the unofficial Castagna IT repository from GitHub. However, unlike before, the add-on now requires an authentication key for login, as it no longer supports direct entry of your email or password. Disney Plus is a great destination for fans of the Marvel and Star Wars franchises, as well as for those interested in its extensive collection of documentaries and series. To access Disney Plus on Kodi, you'll need to use the third-party add-on Sly Guy. After installing it, we were able to log in without any issues. Sly Guy is generally considered a reliable repository for adding Disney Plus to Kodi. Live TV add-ons like Daddy Live are in the Crew repository, another popular third-party add-on repository, along with Sly Guy and Castagnol T. The add-on offers live TV and live sports content. As with other third-party add-ons, check local laws, exercise caution, and use a VPN and antivirus software to stay safe, as streaming links could lead you to unlicensed content. Like the Crew, Scrubs V2 is an unofficial, multi-purpose Kodi add-on containing movies and TV shows in various categories, and it appears to be very popular among users. In addition to what's offered on the homepage, the More Stuff tab takes users to an extended range of content. Many websites and forum users discussing Kodi add-ons mention Saren, a Nick Gates add-on that provides access to movies and TV shows. However, according to various sources, users need a paid Real Debrid account to use Saren. The add-on can also be integrated with Tract. Like Sly Guy and the Crew, Nick Gates is a third-party add-on. Magic Dragon is an EzerMax Wizard Repo add-on for movies and TV shows that appears in many add-on roundups, often near the top. However, like several other multi-purpose add-ons, Magic Dragon isn't from the official repo, so some links may be pirated content. Asgard searches websites for streaming content in various categories, including movies, TV shows, documentaries, sports, kids content, and more. You know the drill. Use at your own risk because this add-on could lead you to unlicensed content. Nightwing is a hub for movies, TV shows, documentaries, music, and more, and it's ideal for those without a Debrid account. Watch out for links to pirated content, though. Umbrella is a multi-purpose add-on for a range of content that works with Real Debrid. It's a popular third-party add-on among streamers that has been praised for its speed. Shadow provides streaming links for movies and TV shows. Users need a Real Debrid account, which allows them to stream in high quality. When checking for the most popular anime add-ons, we noticed that Watch Nicktoons 2, a free anime streaming add-on, gets mentioned a lot. It's in the Crew repository, though we can't be certain about whether or not it links to licensed content, as is the case with any third-party repository. As always, proceed with caution. Mad Titan Sports, which links to free sports streams on various websites, is one of the most popular sports add-ons. In addition to live streams, it offers replays of NBA, football, and more, though some content may require Debrid to work. It's a third-party add-on, so be careful about using it. If you like to watch TV and movies in Italian, RaiPlay is the add-on for you. At first, we couldn't stream on it, but it worked fine when we connected to a VPN server in Italy. This is because RaiPlay is only available in Italy. A VPN can help you get around this issue if you're abroad. 7plus is a free Australian live TV service with on-demand shows and movies too. You can find channels like 7mate and Border Security Australia nestled in this add-on. We had trouble accessing it at first, but it worked when we connected to an Australian VPN server, so you could try the same thing. Plex Live is a free streaming service for movies, TV shows, and live TV content, but there is a paid membership tier for those who want more controls like pausing and recording. You can watch content from various countries, including the US, Australia, Canada, and Spain. Paramount Plus is a U.S. streaming platform that has branched out to several other countries in recent years, though it's only available in a handful of European countries and has yet to reach Asia and Africa. Like Netflix, its content library can vary depending on your location. Paramount Plus is a subscription service, but it has a 7-day free trial. Reddit users mention Fights on Demand, another third-party add-on for streaming content like UFC and Cage Warriors. Some content is dbrid compatible. Otaku is another third-party Kodi add-on for anime that netizens are talking about, and it has received rave reviews from many who use it. As with other third-party add-ons, bear in mind that you could be consuming copyrighted content on Otaku. BBC Podcasts is the hub for, you guessed it, podcasts on topics like science, sports, history, comedy, crime, and lifestyle. It's from the UK, but we had no trouble using the add-on in France and while connected to a US VPN server. From the Lost Soul repo, Patriot has a wide selection of content types, but you need real dbrid to access some of the offerings. Content that requires a dbrid account is clearly marked. Shazam, a sister app to Asgard that's also in the Lost Soul repo, is home to blockbuster movies, TV shows, and channels, and it's compatible with real dbrid and tracked. Though some of it may be unlicensed, free content is also available via Shazam. Thanks for watching our guide on the best Kodi add-ons. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tech tips, streaming guides, and the latest in Kodi add-ons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring you the best content and keeps our channel going. Stay tuned for more great videos from Screen Masters Tech. See you in the next one.